In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change Windows 11 wallpaper or desktop background without activation. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to download a photo, and once you have downloaded it, please move it here to the desktop. Okay. So the next step that you need to do is you need to select that photo or image, make a right click, and the moment you do it, wait until you'll be able to see a window where it contains a list of results. Please proceed with show more options. Okay? So once you have selected it, kindly wait again until you can see this list of the option. And at the second option, there you can see set as desktop background. All you need to do is you need to click on it, and in a few seconds, you would be able to change the Windows 11 wallpaper without activation. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.